guys, welcome back to my channel. This video, as you guys see by the title that I'm going to show you guys, my new ring light. I mean, not my new ring light. It's my ring light. It's the first ring light I ever have as a vlogger. So, guys, I'll show you guys. I will open it and then you guys can see it with me. Actually, I opened it already and I have a video on it. You guys can see it first and then we will, check it together. Okay guys, so here we go. I have my ring light arrived today, so I'm gonna open it. It is cash on delivery, 199 pesos, and let's see how it actually looks like. I'm just wondering if it is the same with the one that they advertise online, but let us see it. Okay. Yes, this is it. Guys, you just look at the picture. This is the one. The box, I mean. This is what I ordered actually. You can see also. And this one is actually portable ring light, and I'm so excited, guys. Look at it. I can't remember. I think I ordered pink, but the one they deliver is white. Anyway, I like white also. Let us set it up. Okay, not bad. Guys, this is what it looked like. So you guys can just put it on the table and just like look at it like this. And this is the phone holder. Oh, I actually have an extra phone that I'd like to let you guys see. But anyway, so I'll let you guys see also like with the ring light and without the ring light, so you guys can see the difference. Now, this one, you can just twist it actually to adjust it with your phone, because you can, and you can actually put it vertically, horizontally, which is fine. And yeah, this is just portable. You can bring it anywhere and too large, and this is perfect for YouTuber guys like you guys who are here. Okay, now I'm gonna put it on, but I will see first. This is the charger. This is perfect, guys. Like, you can just use it with if you bring it anywhere and then you don't have anywhere to charge it, you can actually just charge it using your power bank. Anyway, so you can charge it right here. Here you go. I'm gonna mix it a bit of this one. Just see. Yeah, this is it, guys. Without with. And guys, what more exciting here is that it is actually, you can change it, the color of the light. You can dim it as you want to. It's super exciting. I actually really love it. I respect it actually. Wow, this is exactly as the one that they advertise on Facebook, on social media, or on Instagram that you guys probably see. So guys, check it out. This is awesome. And this is what it looked like when just by the side. And like, after you finish it, you can, and also guys, you can actually here they have here with the plus sign and then minus, and then here this is the one that you can change it to different color. You can dim it and brighten it if you want to. But I'll try it with the one that has the plastic. Let's add the light. I'm adding the light. I am reducing the light. You can see that the difference. Yeah. Now I'm adding the light. Yes, you guys can see, right? Now I so cool. And this one has really cute ear. It's just so cute. And I'm really excited. I'm so happy. I'm really happy. You guys should check it out, guys. So that is all. Oh yes, the price. Oh, what is the price? Oh yes, the price was there in the one that they just delivered, the cover. You guys can check it. It was 199, 1,990 pesos. So it's affordable and it is worth it, guys. It's just amazing. And the fact that it is portable, it is amazing, guys. So thank you guys for watching my videos, and I hope you guys will also check it out, and then I hope it will be it won't be defective when you guys have it delivered. But I'm just so satisfied and so excited to have my next vlog with this beautiful light. Anyway, so guys, please subscribe to my channel and then comment down below what you guys like about this video, which part was your favorite, and what do you like about this, and what is your experience in this. Or if you have not bought this, if you have not ordered it, if you have not think of ordering it, guys, make sure to check it out. It's nice. So thank you guys. Bye.